Today we are presented with another problem. So in this problem there are actually 3 ways to solve it, but in this video we are going to go over the first way how to solve it. We need to know what it's asking. It is asking for what a times b times c is. And so the first question you should be asking is, when does this occur? Well, it occurs when you cube equation 1. So here we have equation 1 cubed, and down here we have it spread out, and it's important for you to memorize this. Now, what we notice is that we've got an ABC in this equation, and what we also notice is that this part of the equation is a 3, as stated up here. So we can just move this 3 to this side of the equation. So you subtract 3 from here, you get -2. So there's no more of this now. Now we notice that all of these terms have a common factor of 3. So we divide both sides by 3. So when we divided both sides by 3, we get 2abc plus a squared times b plus a squared times c plus b squared times a plus b squared times c plus c squared times a plus c squared times b is equal to -2/3. And now we've realized that within the two terms, they both are being multiplied by the same thing. See, a squared, b squared, and c squared, and c squared. So therefore, we can rewrite the equation by adding up the terms that are being multiplied by the same thing. So right here, 2abc plus a squared times b plus c plus b squared times a plus c plus c squared times a plus b is equal to -2/3. Now, we can do something else here. So we can still utilize this first equation by writing something out for each part of this. So when you subtract a from equation 1, you get b plus c is equal to 1 minus a. When you subtract b from equation 1, you get a plus c is equal to 1 minus b. And when you subtract c from equation 1, you get a plus b is equal to 1 minus c. So we can put these values into these quotations since they are equal. So now we have put these values that we just found into the parentheses. And now we multiplied them out to get 2abc plus a squared minus a to the third plus b squared minus b to the third plus c squared minus c to the third is equal to -2/3. So we can add all the major adding factors and subtract all the subtracting factors like so. 2abc plus a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus a to the third plus b to the third plus c to the third is equal to -2/3. Now here, you realize that they've given you what these values are from the equation. A squared plus b squared plus c squared, that's just 2. And a to the third plus b to the third plus c to the third is 3. So your answer for ABC, A, B, C is 1/6. And that is our answer.